Mathematics 5, Quarter 1, Week 5. So our topic for this week is add and subtract fractions and mix fractions with and without regrouping. So our objectives in these lessons, you are expected to add and subtract fractions and mix fractions with and without regrouping. So we already know how to add similar fraction, right? So when fraction have common denominator or same denominator, you just add the numerator and write the sum over the common denominator, and then you're going to write the lowest term. So, diba last time when we are in grade 4, when we add same denominator, you're just going to add the numerator and copy the denominator. So let us have this example. Okay, 4 over 7 plus 2 over 7. So they have the same denominator. So add lang natin yung numerator, which is 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6 over 7. Next, 5 over 20 plus 8 over 20. So add lang yung nasa taas. 5 plus 8 is 13. Then copy the denominator, which is 20. So napakasimple lang pag the same ang denominator. That is in subtraction and addition. So 6 over 9 minus 4 over 9. Ayan. So 6 plus 4. Rather, 6 minus 4 is 2. And copy the denominator, which is 9. So we have 2 over 9. Next, 9 over 15 minus 7 over 15. Minus natin yung numerator. 9 minus 7 is 2. Copy the denominator, which is 15. 10 over 10 minus 7 over 10. So we have 3 over 10. And then 7 over 7 minus 7. 5 over 7 is 2 over 7. So napakasimple, napakadali lang pag same ang denominator. Yung numerator lang natin ang isusolve pag sa addition and subtraction. So now, let us look at the problem situation here. So, itong problem na ito ay nakasulat sa inyong mga module, right? So, Roel jogged 3 over 5th or 3 over 5 of kilometer on Saturday and 4 over 7 of a kilometer on Sunday. So, how far they jog together in 2 days? So, we are going to add the two fraction. So, we have here a solution. So, since the fraction is 3/5 and 4 and 7, so they are dissimilar fraction because they have this different denominator. So, ang tawag sa magkaiba ang denominator ay dissimilar fraction. So, we are going to find the total distance he jogged pag inad natin yung 3/5 and 4 over 7. So, meron ditong 5 steps. So, first, find the LCD. Rename the fraction LCD. Rename the fraction or LCD. Add, write the sum in the lowest term. Okay? So, i-explain ko kung paano natin ito nakuha. Okay? Kung paano nakuha yung 1 and 6 over 35 kilometers. Okay? So, let us have here. So, meron tayong 3/5 plus 4 over 7. So, since they have different denominator, we are going to find first the LCD. So, paano nga ulit kunin yung LCD? Okay, isusulat nyo yung 5. Okay, so yung 5, ito muna, yung sa 3/5. So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So, hanggang dyan muna tayo. Next, 7. Ibibigay nyo lang yung multiples. Okay? Kung saan sila unang mag-meet. Okay, 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So, ano kayang LCD ng 5 and 7? So, we have 35. So, since diyan sila nag-meet, gagamitin natin as a new denominator ang 35 dito sa dalawa. So, magkakaroon tayo ng ayan, 35 and 35. So, ito na yung magiging bagong fraction natin. So, we are going to use 35 as a new denominator. So, kukunin pa natin yung numerator. So, ganito, di ba? 35 divided by 5. Ito siya, ha? Ito, dito muna tayo. Itong first fraction. 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. 7 times 3, i-multiply sa numerator, the answer is 21. Okay, again, 35 divided by 5 is 7 times 3 is 21. So, eto na. So, yung 3/5 kanina ay 21 over 35 na ngayon. Next, 4 over 7 naman tayo. So, 35 divided by 7 is 5, right? Then times 4, that is 20. Okay, so we have a new fraction. Yung 4 over 7 kanina ay 20 over 35 na. So, pag meron na tayong the same denominator, madali na lang po natin i-add. Okay? So, again, yan. 21 plus 20 is 41. And copy the denominator, which is 35. So, we have an answer of 41 over 35. So, as you can see, 41 over 35 is improper fraction. Diba? Pag sinabing improper fraction, ilo-lowest term natin or i-convert into mixed fraction. Okay? Mixed fraction. So, paano yon? Of course, i-divide lang po natin. 41 divided by 35, we have 1. 1 times 35, we have 6. Okay? So, we have, yung sagot natin ay 1. Ang numerator natin ay magiging 6, which is the remainder, and the same ang denominator. So, we have 1 and 6 over 35. So, kung makikita nyo dyan sa module nyo, the same yung sagot natin. So, ganyan lang po ang process pag different ang denominator and addition lang naman po siya. Okay? So, next, dito naman tayo. Find the difference of 9 over 1/8 and 3 and 5 over 6. So, kung makikita niyo dito, ang example sa pangalawa ay difference, subtraction. And as you can see, they are mixed number. Okay? So, meron ditong mga process. First, find the LCD. Rename the fraction, regroup the minuend if necessary, subtract the lowest term. So, kung titignan nyo, napakahirap. So, i-explain natin to one by one. Paano ba nakuha si 5 and 7 over 24? Okay? Gawin natin yung step by step ng nakasulat dito sa inyong module. Okay. So, ito yung ating problem or ito yung ating fraction. 9 and 1/8 minus 3 and 5 over 6. So, kung makikita nyo, 9 minus 3 pwede siya. Diba? Kasi mataas si 9. 1 minus 5 cannot be. Right? Mas mataas si 5 kaysa sa 1. So, kaya tayo magre-regroup dito. Dito nyo malalaman kung ano yung regroup. So, bago tayo mag-regroup, ang first step is find the LCD. Okay? Since yung number 1 ay yung unang fraction natin or unang mixed number natin is 8 ang denominator and yung pangalawa is 6. So, they have different denominator. So, we're going to find first the LCD para magkaroon sila ng parehas na denominator. Okay? Ayan. Find the LCD. Yung 8. So, yung 8, kunin natin yung multiple. So, 8, 16, 24, 28. Next, 6 naman. 6, 12, 18, 24. So, ano yung least common denominator na meron si 8 and 6? So, we have 24. So, we are going to use 24 as a new denominator of these two mixed number. Okay, so 9. So, ganyan, isulat, kopyahin mo lang yung 9. Kopyahin yung 9, and then 24. 24 divided by 8. Ayan. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Times 1 is 3. Okay? So, saan nakuha tong 9 and 3? 3 over 24. Kinuha ko yung LCD na 24. Kinopya ko lang muna itong whole number. Nilagay ko dyan. Hindi ko siya isasali sa pag-solve. Nilagay ko lang, nilipat ko lang. Ang isasolve ko lang ay itong tatlo. Si 24, si 8, at si 1. Again, 24 divided by 8 is 3. Times 1 is 3. Kaya meron tayong 9 and 3 over 24. Next naman, dito naman tayo sa baba. 3 and 5 over 6. Kopyahin si 3. Ayan. Ito minus po to ha, hindi siya negative. Nilipat ko na dito si 3. So, meron tayong 24 na denominator. So, again, solve natin. 24 divided by 6 is 4 times 5 is 20. So, meron na tayong new mixed fraction which is 3 and 20 over 24. So, nakuha na natin yung LCD. They have the same denominator na. Okay? Meron na rin tayong new mixed fraction. Nandiyan na. So, 9 and 3 over 24 and 3 and 20 over 24. So, kung makikita nyo, pwede na natin silang isubtract, right? Kasi the same na yung kanilang denominator, right? Then, yung whole number nila, kayang-kaya i-minus. 9 minus 3 is 6. Ngunit, yung 3 minus 20, hindi maaari. Diba? Kaya doon tayo magre-regroup. So, paano gagawin ang regrouping? Okay? So, dito muna tayo mag-focus sa 9 and 3 over 24. Ito muna ang gagawin natin. Kasi hindi talaga sila pwede. Kaya papasok ang regrouping. Okay? So, ayan. Kopyahin ko muna. 9, 3 over 24. So, ano ang gagawin natin dito? Ayan. Yan. So, ito na yung new mixed fraction natin. 9 and 3 over 24 minus 3, 20 over 24. 3 minus 20, hindi po maaari. Hindi maaari. That's why we're going to regroup. Okay? Ayan, na-rename na the fraction. Ito na yung rename the fraction na natin. May bago na tayong fraction. Na the same na ang denominator. Yun nga lang, hindi kaya bawasan ng 20 ang 3. So, gagawa tayo ng regrouping. So, ito yung pangatlong steps. Ayan. Regroup the minuend. Okay? Regroup the minuend. So, dito tayo mag-focus sa 9 and 3 over 24 first. Okay, 8 plus 1. Saan nanggaling tong 8 plus 1? Dito po yan nanggaling sa 9. Yung 9, niregroup ko. Okay? So, 8 plus 1. Kung meron ka dyan 6, so mangyayari 5 plus 1. Diba? 8 plus 1 is 9. Diba? Next, plus, kopyahin yung 3 over 24. Okay? 3 over 24 dyan galing. Yung 8 plus 1 dito galing sa 9. So, bale, yan 8. Then, itong plus 1, itong 1, gagawin natin siyang fraction. Okay? Gagawin natin siyang fraction para pwede natin mai-add dito sa 3 over 24. Diba 1 is a whole number? So, kukunin or gagawa tayo ng fraction na ang sagot ay 1. Diba? Pag same ang numerator at denominator, ibig sabihin na 1 ang sagot. So, saan pa tayo pupunta? Hindi na tayo mag-iisip ng ibang number pa na magiging fraction. Kung ano, yung na denominator dito, yun ang kunin mong fraction para magka-same sila ng denominator. Ayan, plus, yan, 24 over 24. Diba? 24 divide 24 is 1. Ganun lang po. Okay? 24 over 24 is 1. Ulitin ko, kinopya ko lang itong 8. Then yung 1, nag-isip ako ng fraction na kung saan pag dinivide ko yung dalawa, ang sagot ay 1. And then, syempre, mag-iisip ako ng fraction na kung saan dapat the same dito sa denominator ng 3 over 24, which is 24. So, ginamit ko yan, 24. So, gagamitin nyo yung denominator ng fraction na yan. Okay, para the same sila ng denominator plus. I-plus na natin dito, 3 over 24. Yan. So, ano nang mangyayari? Equals, yan, kopyahin si 8 and then 24 plus 3 is 27. Then, copy the denominator. So, meron na tayong 8 and 27 over 24. So, ganun lang kasimple yung pag-regroup. the minuend. Yung 9, naging 8 plus 1. In-expand lang siya. Then, ibinaba yung 3 over 24. Then, baba yung 8. Then, sabi ko nga, yung 1, mag-isip ng fraction na kung saan, pag dinivide mo, ay whole number ang sagot, which is 1. So, sabi ko, wag nang lalayo. Kung ano yung denominator nito, yun na ang gamitin. Kaya ginamit ko ay 24 over 24. Kasi 24 divided by 24 is 1. Then, kopyahin ito, 3 over 24. Yan. And then, mag-a-add na tayo. Yan, binaba ko yung 8. Then, 24 plus 3 is 27. Then, copy the denominator, which is 24. So, meron na tayong 8 and 27 over 24. Ayan na. Subtract then the lowest term. So, pwede na natin isubtract si 8 over 27 over 24 kay 3. 20 over 24. Pwede na isubtract si 27 minus 20. Tama? Ayan. Ayan. Yun. So, 27. Yan. Whole number muna tayo. 8 minus 3 is 5. Right? And then, copy the denominator, which is 24. And then, 27 minus 20, that is 7. Okay? So, diba, napakadali lang po. 5 and 7 over 24. So, that is the final answer. So, hindi na natin siya pwede pang i-lowest term kasi wala ng multiple sa 7 at 24. Okay? So, ganyan lang po ang pag-regroup. Ulit-ulitin na lang po para makuha natin. Proceed tayo dito sa learning task 1. Add or subtract the following fractions. Write your answer in your notebook. So, sa letter A, kung makikita nyo, they have the same denominator. So, no need na kayong mag-regroup. I-add na lang yung numerator, then copy the denominator, then yung copy the whole number. So, ito yung example sa letter A. Kunwari, meron akong 2 and 4 over 11 plus 6 and 11. So, they have the same denominator, which is 11. So, kopyahin ko lang yung 2, then 4 plus 6 is 10. Then, copy the denominator, which is 11. So, the answer is 2 and 10 over 11. So, yung letter A, i-add lang, kopyahin yung 2, since wala naman itong whole number. Copy yung 2, i-add yung 4 and 6, then copy yung 18. Then, kung meron pang lowest term, i-lowest term. Next, sa letter B, ganun rin. Hindi na magre-regroup because they have the same denominator. Kopyahin yung whole number, isubtract yung numerator, copy the denominator. Then, kung may pwede pang i-lowest term, i-lowest term. Letter C, yan, subtract din. Subtract yung numerator and copy the denominator. Hindi nyo nagagawin yung ginawa ko kanina kasi they have the same denominator, right? Sa letter D naman, ayan, 9 minus 3 over 5, 6. So, paano kaya mag-subtract ng whole number sa mixed fraction? So, naggumawa ako dito ng example para sa letter D. Okay? Kunwari, meron akong 6 minus 2 and 3 over 6. Yan ang problem ko. Ito ang example sa letter D, ha? Then, equals, yan, 5. I-regroup ko. Okay? 5, 6 over 6. Ginalinto ko na. Dapat yan kanina, 5 plus 1. So, niregroup ko na siya, yung minuend. So, saan nanggaling yung 6? Dito sa 1 ng 5. 5, 6 over 6. Kaya 6 over 6 kasi yung denominator dito ay 6. Kaya ginaya ko na lang para the same silang denominator. Okay? 5, 6 over 6. Okay? Then, ayan na siya. Diba? Yung whole number, ginawa kong mixed fraction. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng 5, 6 over 6. Ginawa ko yung 6 over 6 kasi ginaya ko dito para the same na sila ng denominator. So, kung makikita mo, pwede na silang isubtract, right? So, 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Then, copy the denominator, which is 6, right? So, yung 3 over 3, 6. Pwede pa siyang i-lowest term. So, meron tayong magiging sagot na 1/2. 3 and 1/2. Bakit? Yung 3 divided by sa 3, 1. Yung 6 divided by sa 3, 2. Kaya meron tayo 3 and 1/2. Again, ito yung example sa letter D. Gayahin lang po ito. Kaya dito sa 9, magiging ano siya? 8 and 6 over 6. Diba? Then proceed na kayo sa subtraction. Gayahin na lang ito. The next, letter D. Sa letter D, they have the same denominator, right? Then yung whole number nila, pwedeng i-subtract. Pero, yung 4 minus 5, hindi. 4 minus 5, hindi. So, magre-regroup tayo. Okay? So, tutulungan ko na kayo dito sa letter E. So, 10, 4 over 10. Ayan. So, ayan. I-regroup ko yung 10, magiging 9 and 10 over 10. Plus, i-add ko dito sa 4 and 10. Yan, 4 and 10. Again, yung 9 over 10 dito galing sa whole number na 10. Yung parehas yung kanina, yung 9 plus 1. So, yung ginawa kong fraction ay 10 over 10 para magkapareha sila ng denominator. So, ayan, binaba ko lang itong 4 over 10. Proceed na tayo sa addition. So, equals. Copy yung 9. Whole number 10 plus 4 is 14 over 10. So, meron na tayong new fraction na 9 and 14 over 10. So, pwede nyo na itong isubtract dito sa 5 and 5 over 10. Okay? Isulat na itong 9 and 14 over 10, then minus 5 and 5 over 10. Madali na lang po yan. Subtract nyo yung 9 sa 5. Mauuna to ha. Mauuna ito. 9 minus 5. 14 minus 5. Then copy the denominator. Then yun na yung sagot. Then kung kaya pang i-lowest term, i-lowest term. Next, learning task 2. Add or subtract the following fractions. So kung makikita nyo dito, they have different denominator. Itong 3 and 4, 6 plus 9 over 18. They have different denominator. So, ang gagawin lang dito po, kukunin muna yung LCD. Diba? Since na plus naman ito, huwag na pong mag-regroup. Kunin nyo lang yung LCD ng 6 and 18. Then, proceed na kayo. Then, sa number 2, dito sa number 2, 10 minus 6 over 5, 6. Yung ginawa natin kanina sa learning task 1. Balikan ang pag-subtract ng whole number sa mixed fraction. Number 3, ganun din, magre-regroup kayo. Gayahin na lang tong example. Number 4, ganun din. This kind of example to. The number 5, ayan, number 5, since they have the same denominator, pwede na kayong mag-add. I-add na lang yan. Then copy the denominator. Ganon din sa number 6. Copy rin din yung denominator. Madali lang ang 5 and 6. Yung 2, 3, and 4, ito yung example. Yung kanina tong in-explain ni ma'am. Balikan yung nasa taas. And then ito rin, kukunin mo sa number 1, kukunin mo lang yung LCD nito. Then proceed na kayo sa addition. Medyo mahirap-hirap lang itong 2, 3, and 4. Pero ganito lang yung process niyan. Okay, ganito lang. Next, learning task 3, subtract the following fractions. Ayan, so the same lang din. Ganito din ang example niya. Number 1, number 2, the same. Number 3, ganun din po. Number 4, lahat kayo magre-regroup dito. Number 5, dito sa number 5, kunin nyo lang yung LCD. Then proceed na kayo sa subtraction. Kasi pwede siyang 7 minus 3, pwede siyang isubtract. Then dito rin, find the LCD din. Yan. I-subtract yung whole number. Kunin yung LCD, i-subtract yung numerator. Yan. Okay, so solve routine and run routine problems involving addition or subtraction. So, kadugtong pa ito nung nasa taas or sa week 5. So, learning task 1, find the sum of or difference. Express each answer in lowest term. So, ito napakadali lang. Okay, so 4 over 8 minus 2 over 8. Subtract lang kayo dito. Copy lang yung denominator kasi they have the same denominator. Then, kung kayang i-lowest term, i-lowest term. Dito naman, kunin nyo lang yung LCD. Pag the same na yung LCD nila, proceed na kayo sa subtraction. I-follow lang yung nasa taas kong example. Dito, automatic, they have the same denominator. I-add nyo na lang yung numerator. Then, copy the denominator. Dito, ganun din. Since yung 40 minus 10, pwede i-minus. Kukunin nyo lang po yung LCD. Dito, LCD rin. Kunin yung LCD ng 9 and 12. Ganun dito, hindi na. So, they have the same denominator. Add nyo na lang yung numerator. Then, copy the denominator. Yung 16 over 18 minus 12 over 18. So, subtract nyo lang yung 16 minus 12. Then, copy the denominator. Then, kung kayang i-lowest term, i-lowest term. Then, dito, get the LCD also. Okay? Kunin yung LCD doon. Then, add the numerator. So, ganyan lang po sa learning task 1. Learning task 2. Read and solve each problem. Write your answer in your notebook. Eden bought 2 and 1/4 meters of cloth. She uses 3/4 of meter for her project. How many meters of cloth did she have left? So, dito you're going to subtract. Okay? 2 and 1/4 minus 3 and 3/4. So, kung makikita nyo, they have the same denominator. Okay? Kung the same ang denominator nila, magre-regroup na lang kayo dito para pwedeng i-minus si 1 and 3. So, katulad ng ginawa ko kanina, yung 2, magiging 1 and 4 over 4. Then, i-add sa 1/4. Ganun lang po. Then, number 2. Rina bought 5 and 1/4 meters of cloth. She uses 3 and 3/4 of meter of her project. How many meters of cloth did she have left? So, again, they have the same denominator. Napakadali lang. Magre-regroup lang kayo dito ulit. Yung 5 and 1/4. Dapat mas malaki siya dito sa 3, yung 1. So, yung gagawin natin kanina, yung 5 magiging 4 and 4 over 4 plus 1/4 para magkaroon siya ng bagong fraction. Okay? Next. Ito na yung last ninyo learning activity sheets. Kung makikita nyo, ang dali lang nito. Number 1, add lang, copy the denominator. Number 2, subtract lang, copy the denominator. Number 3, add lang, then copy the denominator. The same sa number 4, they have the same denominator, yung 1 to 5. Okay, copy the denominator, then add and subtract lang yung mga numerator, then whole number. Sa number 6, kailangan yung kunin yung LCD ng 10, 5, and 6. Then proceed na kayo sa addition. Sa number 7, kunin yung LCD ng 3 and 8. Then proceed na sa addition. Ganon din sa number 8, find the LCD. Sa number 9, find the LCD. And then proceed na rin sa subtraction. Then number 10, 12 minus 5 over 1/2. So, ganun din yung example ko kanina. So, napakasimple lang nitong learning activity sheets natin sa week 5. So, yun lang po ang mga gagawin. Balikan yung mga videos kung paano nakuha. Okay? Okay, so that is Mathematics 5, Quarter 1, Week 5.